We are BestSub, the leading professional manufacturer and sales company founded in 2000 with over 22 years of experience, more than 6,000 products, 8 factories, and 45 global agents, dedicated to providing various digital printing products and effective solutions. Our all-time best sellers are the sublimation ceramic mugs produced in our own mug coating factory. It is located in Shandong Province, mainly producing white photo mugs, color ceramic mugs, magic mugs, shot glasses and enamel cups. With efficient mass production lines, our daily outputs reach 180,000 ceramic mugs and 30,000 enamel mugs, ensuring you will receive the products in the expected time. From the selection of raw material to coating, tests, packing, and delivery, we strictly control the mug quality in every step, making sure they are all qualified. Our mugs are molded from the best soil in Guangzhou City, and they will be checked to evaluate its shapes, smoothness, size and volume, and then be sent to the next coating process. All the mugs will be coated with our self-developed BestSub Sublimation coating featuring great adhesion and color absorption, which guarantees vivid print-out results, great color fastness, and washing cycles over 3,500 cycles in the dishwasher. Then the coated mugs will be examined through printing test, boiling test, quality checks before packing and shipping. Finally, all the qualified mugs will be packed into egg grid carton or separate white box, then put into sturdy packing carton, lined up and ready to be shipped to our customers. We focus on every detail that makes great products and aim to provide the best quality. Our mug coating factory goes through factory audits every year, striving to pass every inspection and receive the certificates. We have successfully passed the factory audits conducted by BSCI and SQP, and our products have been awarded with ISO 9001, SGS, FDA and Intertech certifications and won the recognition from all over the world. They are the great products you can really trust and order. Come on and choose BestSub. You deserve the best.